this video, we will discuss how to delete Telegram account. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Open your Telegram profile, click on 3 lines above. Click on Settings. Scroll down and go to Telegram FAQ. Here, as you scroll down, and you can see bold heading, your account. Just below this heading, see the option, Delete your Telegram account. Click on it. See this query. How do I delete my account? Just below this, click on the option, Deactivation page. Here, enter your phone number, then click on Next. Now verify your phone number. Enter the verification code here. Click on Sign In. Tell us why you want to delete your Telegram account. Then simply click on Delete Account.